now, just pumping out all this sewage. You can see it just coming. Yeah, I'm good right now. It's gonna sit right here for a few minutes. Yeah, it's pulling all the water to me.
Oh, good. Be great if you find a low spot there, huh?
Yeah. Man, this shit stinks, dude.
Yeah. You sure it's not your breath?
Ha, my ass.
Nice and cool down there.
Yeah, it just smells real bad. And there's my little pump going hard. All sorts of shit.
You got a couple rocks or something under there so you can...
Right now, no.
I got one here, it's about 2 inches thick though.
Yeah, I'm cool right now.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna sit here for about 10 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna go pull that snake cable out.
Alright.
The water was cascading out.
Oh yeah, fuck yeah. I couldn't see it though. But I heard it, you know what I mean?
So, yeah, that's how it was. So I know it's above ground.
Yeah. It's gonna be right around that corner, but that's where it's the worst. It's just been leaking for a long time, dude. So if you guys got leaks under your guys' house,
You need to find a way to get out and replace that pipe today or get where it doesn't leak.
it's pumping. Let me see how much just went down. About 2 inches. There's still a lot of water, but it's coming.